If saving money was enough to make people rich, our parents and grandparents would all be wealthy by now. But they're not. And that's not because they were careless. It's because saving alone was never designed to build wealth. In today's lesson, I'll explain why saving by itself will never make you rich, and what actually does. From childhood, we were taught a simple rule: save your money, and saving is important. It creates discipline. It builds security. It protects you from emergencies. But saving does not create wealth. Here's why. When you save money, you're simply parking it. It's not working. It's not growing. It's just sitting there. Now, let's talk about the silent enemy most people ignore: inflation. Inflation quietly reduces the value of your money every single year. That means the same amount of money buys you less over time. So if your savings are growing at 3%, but inflation is rising at 10%, you are actually losing money slowly and silently. It doesn't feel painful, but over years, it's devastating. That's why people who saved all their lives still struggle later in life. The money didn't disappear. Its value did. Now here's another truth school never explained. Wealth is not built by hoarding money. It's built by deploying money. The rich don't ask, "How much can I save?" They ask, "Where can I put this money so it grows?" This is where assets come in. Assets are things that put money into your pocket without you working for every cent, dollar, or hour. Businesses, investments, stocks, bonds, real estate, skills that produce income. Savings protect your money. Assets multiply it. And here's where most people get stuck. Fear. Fear of losing money. Fear of making mistakes. Fear of investing. So they keep all their money in savings and call it being safe. But safety without growth is slow poverty. The goal is not to stop saving. The goal is to stop stopping at saving. Savings are the foundation. Investments are the building. You save first so you don't panic. Then you invest so your future can breathe. Another mistake people make is waiting to have a lot of money before investing. But wealth is not built by large amounts. It's built by time and consistency. Small amounts invested early beat large amounts invested late. That's the power of compounding. Money making money. Then that money making even more money. Saving cannot do that. Investing can. Now let's be clear. Getting rich is not about gambling. It's not about get-rich-quick schemes. It's about patience, learning, discipline, and letting money work while you sleep. Once you understand this, your mindset changes. You stop asking, "How much did I save this month?" and start asking, "How much did my money grow?" That's when wealth begins. If this lesson helped you see money differently, this channel is for you. Welcome to the Life Classroom, where we learn the lessons school never taught us. If you found value here, please like this video. Subscribe to the channel to keep learning practical money and life lessons. And comment below. Are you saving, or are you also investing? Watch out for the next video.